Let's talk about poo. If your intestine was a track and doing a poo was a race, the decision about what makes a winner is nothing to do with the pace. If you're as fast as a fountain flowing right through without pause, you've probably got diarrhea and need to discover the cause. Maybe it's not quite like water, maybe it's fluffy old mush. Either way, it has charged through your system and is definitely in quite a rush. Racers can never be winners and point to a number of thoughts, stress or infection or dietary change. It's a sign that you're out of sorts. If, after every big mealtime, you do a regular poo, soft blobs with clear-cut edges could be quite normal for you. If you're a once-a-day merchant, because of the time that it takes, your poo will be fatter whilst smooth and quite soft and look like a sausage or snake. If you are healthy and happy every 1 or 2 or 3rd day, regular, softly and smoothly your bowels will move in this way. If there are cracks on your sausage and there are piles down below, it might be a call for more fluid, but otherwise you're good to go. Now we're heading for trouble. This sausage is lumpy and slow. It's hard to get out of your system and the strain is starting to show. More painful perhaps are the grape nuts, scratchy and sharp as they pass. They might make you bleed, and that's all you need for your ever so sensitive bottom. Exercise, water and fibre are good for helping your poo. Laxatives from your doctor and you'll soon be back on the loo.